Alright folks, good evening. This is Marcel on YouTube. Amtrak 551, the final Capital Corridor train, now arriving at the Oakland London Square station. F59 PHI leading this one off. Once again, this is Amtrak 551, the final Capital Corridor train, arriving at London Square station. Once again, that's an F59 PHI going on track number 2. No, he's going on track number 1. All right, he's arriving on track number 1. F59 PHI and a doubleheader, double F59 PHI, 2003 and 2009, a doubleheader. 2003 and 2009, the doubleheader.
Please be aware of your surroundings and report any unattended traffic or suspicious activity.
Cat car is 8305 Mount Tampa Pius on this set. Alright. Alright folks, this is the out of service Amtrak Capital Corridor 551. Headed back to the yard. 8305 Mount Tampa Pius leads on that this train is a doubleheader with 2 F59 PHIs. F59 PHI 2009, F59 PHI 2003. There it goes, folks, back to the Amtrak yard. This train will be returning back as 520. The first Capital Corridor train on the morning, the next day. Alright folks, I'm Marcel Hall. Thank you for watching. Have a good one. Bye-bye.